Hello friends, today I'm going to share a quick and easy snack recipe which is loaded nachos. Ingredients are to use chopped bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, olives, cilantro, corn chips, cheese, salsa and melted cheese. Set up your oven at 350 for 5 minutes. While your oven is preheating, let's set up the tray. Add first layer of the nachos, that is corn chips, then cheese, add onions, tomatoes, olives, bell pepper, and then set up the second layer. Repeat the same steps. First chips, cheese, then onions. I'm going to add more onions, tomatoes, olives, bell peppers, and then I'm going to set up the third layer. Repeat same thing. First corn chips, then cheese and veggies. It's up to you how many layers you want and how loaded you want. I'm going to set up 3 layers. So corn chips, cheese, onions, tomatoes, olives. Leave few olives for garnishing and add rest of the veggies, and then keep this tray in oven, and after it is baked for 5 minutes at 350 how this will be look like. So after taking from the oven, add melted cheese, which is nacho cheese. Spread it nicely on the chips, and then add salsa. I'm using a mild salsa, but it's up to you. If you like a hot, then add extra hot or jalapeno salsa. It's up to you. Then add sour cream on the top and garnish it with the cilantro and olives, and your yummy snack loaded nachos are ready to serve. Please do like and subscribe my channel. I really appreciate. Thanks. Bye bye.